So 1975, my parents had $228 to their name. My father came across the company. He basically took his life savings and invested into a personal safety corporation. My father would travel to a city and he'd have to sell the product to get home. Like, he would literally leave with a little bit of money to pay for gas and food, but if he didn't sell the product, he was walking home. That's how the business got started. It was a team effort for my parents, right? I mean, my father was the face out in the field, but she was the person that was keeping it all together at home.
My mom was making sales with one kid on their leg, the other one on her arm, and so it was them two against the world with these 4 young children that they had to support.
When thinking about my father coaching us as kids and what he taught us, it's a lot of what he taught us then has affected who we are and where we're at today.
The main things that he taught us were preparation. Be more prepared than your competition and always be positive. Always look for the bright side. He taught us always to identify areas to improve upon. That corresponds to businesses, whether it's adding new equipment, new technology to help the business advance.
Our dad was very passionate about the HPLC machine, high performance liquid chromatography,
which is our ability to quantify the analysis of the heat levels within each canister. So you know the strength of the red pepper in the can is going to be the same strength every time. We're ISO 9001 2015 certified. So we know when a customer's life depends on it, that product is going to work and it's going to protect them in an event that could change their lives. We're the largest supplier of red pepper sprays to law enforcement, and there's a reason for that. They've done the analysis, they've tested the product to show that it's not only effective, but safe. We want you to have products that make you safe while you follow your ambition to live your life and do the things that you want to do and know that you can do them safely and be protected.
We give people the ability to do those sort of things, to enjoy the outdoors, to commute to work, to go out at night, to do the things that you want to do. That's what SABRE provides. We put out those life-saving products to keep people safe, to give people confidence.
We can't do what we do without all the team members that are here. So we are very proud of not just my immediate family of 4, but all the employees that work here.
It's important to elevate team members.
So we like to use that 228 story to recognize people who are doing great things to help the company thrive.
Our staff knows every can they make matters. It could be the one that is saving a life. We treat every product as such as it goes out the door.
Those are all the reasons of why we come to work every day.
You can rely on that 50 years of experience and innovation in every product that we manufacture for you.
But beyond the 50 years, this has been operated under the same family for that entire time.
I'm very proud of where we are. It makes me very happy that we started where we were to where we are now. It's really amazing.
So I think about those moments at SABRE, the successes, the challenges, and those feelings. That's who SABRE is. That's the difference. That's why we're number 1, because our team feels that way, and that's how serious we take personal safety in this organization.